This apartment complex here is known as Edo Apartments. It's one of the oldest apartment complexes on Jeju Island. And here, in 207, is where my friend Jordan lives. Let's go inside and take a look at his apartment.
I think it's about time for me to go. Like I dive deep. Like I'm last week tonight with the flow here. Johnny boy, my peeps. I'm an infotainment state. My brain ain't contained. Keep spilling out. I'm belligerent insane. My drink don't stay in place. I'm just two girls, one company. Keep it hipster like succulents. My name be a succubus. Swear I'm better than younger me. But I'm still just as hungry. I could eat the whole country. Contrary to what you see.
Who is it, please?
Hello, sir.
Oh, is it Pirate Dan?
Yeah, hey, it's Pirate Dan. How are you doing today?
Pirate Dan TV Cribs?
Yes, it is, yes.
Oh, wow. Welcome to my 2-bedroom, 2-balcony, private rooftop, Edo Apata. Features of the house including private studio, 2 balconies, Catan board, and some art from all over the world. We've also got washing machine, bathroom, big huge fridge, 2-burner gas range, and my personal favorite part of the house, private cafe. Let's get it popping.
So this is the living area?
This is the living area. This is kind of my, I don't have a TV. I prefer just to kind of create this art wall. So I've got a couple from Vancouver Island, map of Vancouver Island, map of Seoul, Incheon area, map of Korea, north and south. Here's kind of the little gaming zone with the plant, custom Catan package. Also got some incense hiding in here. Incense burner right here. Got a custom shell, picked it up from Udo Island. Can't really get those anywhere in Jeju.
Link to the video here.
My very easy method, just sped up naming planets.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
My very easy method, just sped up naming planets. Remember that? You remember the order of the planets from the sun outwards.
This is balcony number 1. I'm kind of working on converting it into like a little Parisian bistro sort of cafe out here.
I like the Miami theme you've got going here.
A bit of a Miami theme. Just keep some camping gear out here, like the cooler, camp stove, some bike tools.
The views from the street?
Views from the street, yep. And my place is actually the only place that I can see that has a satellite. So.
Do you have a TV?
No, no TV.
Oh, show them underneath here. So when Jordan got here, he had to do quarantine for 2 weeks, and he was cleaning up, and underneath here, you got the dirty original floor.
I think underneath that
is even dirtier.
You got the original.
This is how old this apartment is.
Oh, there's some kind of bug right there.
Yeah.
Anyways, I just never look under there, and
Yeah, just
I never
that
realize it. Oh, and just for the extra vibe, I like to keep this LED strip on. Yeah. So why don't I take you on a tour of my private studio?
So your last apartment in Seoul, you only had 1 bedroom.
I had 1 whole room. So when I first got here, it was like midnight. I got off the plane, I opened this door, and they told me that they were going to provide me with a bed. So I said, this was closed. I said, oh, okay, this must be the bedroom. I opened it up. Ah, there was no furniture in here, except for this and this. I said, oh, shoot, no bed. What am I going to sleep on? And then I looked over here. Oh, okay. Ah, there's another bedroom with a bed.
And this is a big bedroom with a huge double bed inside. Oh, that's Harry.
And actually, when you look out the window, can't really see today, it's pretty overcast, but you can see Halasan right out the window right
I think I got a video before which I can put in, but yeah, just over there you can see
right
it.
There.
Halasan is the tallest mountain in South Korea, like 1,800 meters high. So this is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom with the view. And that's the only room that has underfloor heating, so.
Yeah. It was roasting hot in there last night, mate.
There's heating in there, and then a bit of it comes onto this side about here. So that's where Rafi slept on the floor. This is the studio. Currently working on a release with my Seoul/Berlin based duo, Seoul Speed Club.
nice.
Description in the comments.
Good plug. This is where we made Yosh. This studio, but in Doksan in Seoul.
I quit my job to make a life in Korea. I didn't have doubts, and no, I didn't have fear. When I arrived, I bought myself a Kia. That's because I make a million a year.
You are now listening to.
What we're listening to?
You are now listening to a Yosh production. You are now listening to a Yosh production. Bathroom, pretty typical. Actually smaller than my last one. You got your shower, toilet, sink, mirror. When I got in here in quarantine, the lights went out. So I had no light in there for 2 weeks. So I was showering in the dark. But it was fine because I was depressed anyway, so it was better. No one could see me crying. This is another massive space. If you remember my place from Doksan, the balcony was about this big.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
So I just use this for storage. Oh, Harry, do you want some seaweed?
She's eating seaweed right now.
Ah,
Are you drunk?
We got tons of seaweed.
If you want to see a comparison of the size difference, check out this video here of Rafi's apartment. This place is so much bigger than what you would get in Seoul.
Much bigger than my last place too. You've probably seen videos from in there.
Ooh, let's show them the pièce de résistance. We're gonna put on our raincoats and show you the best part of this apartment, which we only discovered on Thursday night. Up here. Oh.
Just trying to do the thing you did in the movie. The other night I came up here to listening to some music. The sea is like that way. On a clear day you can probably see it. And then over there it's Take Some Willy.
Yeah, the sign, Take Some Willy. And when we came up here on Thursday, we had to really push this hard because it's all corroded and stuck together from all the mold. Back down the hole we go. So as you can probably tell from this house tour, if you're teaching English on Jeju Island, you'll get a much bigger apartment than you would in Seoul. Again, watch this video here to see Rafi's apartment, and he's an English teacher in Dongtan, just outside of Seoul. And if you're in Seoul, your apartment's going to be tiny. Look at my place, for example, and I pay 350,000 won per month, and I live in the very center of Seoul, and my place is tiny. So if you want to see more videos about what it's like to live in Korea, check them out on my channel. I upload videos every Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays at 7 PM UK time. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, click that red button and turn on the bell. And in the comment section, let me know if you need help with anything. Visa application, thoughts about coming to Korea, what food is like, what the culture's like. If you need any help, let me know, I'll be happy to reply. Thanks again for watching. Yosh.
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 jordan이지
김치 감자탕에서 있다